In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and style your website's footer using Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether you're sprucing up your website for a more professional look or just want to make it more user-friendly, updating your footer is a great place to start. Footers can offer easy navigation, crucial contact information, and quick links to essential pages. So, let's dive right in and transform that space into something spectacular. First, let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to their website by typing www.hostinger.com into your web browser. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Login option and enter your credentials. After successful login, you'll want to look for the option to edit your website. Usually, there's a button labeled Edit Website. Click on that, and it'll take you into the Website Builder interface, giving you the freedom to make changes. Now that you're inside the builder, scroll down to the bottom of your page where the footer resides. As you hover over the footer area, you should see it become outlined. This visual cue indicates that it's ready for editing. Clicking anywhere within this outlined area activates the editing mode. Once you're set to edit, there are numerous elements that you can either add or modify to enhance the footer's functionality and appearance. Consider including text for things like copyright notices or contact information. Additionally, you can add links to legal pages, your social media profiles, or other sections of your website. Perhaps a call to action button, such as Book Now, would serve your audience well. Don't forget about potential brand visuals like images or logos and icons for social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. If your website builder supports it, consider adding a newsletter subscription feature to capture leads. To bring an element into the footer, look towards the left sidebar within the builder interface for an option labeled Add Elements. Click it, then drag your desired components, like text, buttons, or social media icons, into your footer. For customization of existing elements, simply click on them to alter aspects like their text, color, size, or the links they contain. Tailor these elements to align with your brand and function seamlessly with the rest of your site. Styling your footer is the next crucial step. Click on the section's background and use the panel that appears on the right side to modify various details. You can change the background color or set an image. Experiment with spacing by adjusting the padding and margins to ensure everything is well aligned and visually appealing. Before finalizing your changes, hit the preview button to see how your updated footer appears across different devices. Ensuring a responsive design is essential to cater to your audience's varying device preferences. If you're satisfied with how it looks, click Publish to make your changes live and accessible to all your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully edited and styled your website's footer, making it a more functional and attractive part of your online presence. Thanks for learning with us today, and happy editing!